Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Raven. Today, we're diving into the world of mid-range smartphones with a bang. We've got our hands on the much-anticipated Redmi Note 13 Pro, and we're here to dissect every inch of it. So, buckle up as we explore whether this device lives up to the hype and delivers value for your hard-earned money. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech reviews like this. Design and build. Starting with the design, the Redmi Note 13 Pro doesn't stray far from its lineage, sporting a sleek and modern look. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and a glass back that feels premium in the hand. The IP54 rating means it can take a splash, making it a sturdy companion for your daily adventures. Display. The display is a treat for the eyes. A 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate makes everything look buttery smooth. Whether you're scrolling through social media or binge-watching your favorite shows, the vibrant colors and crisp details won't disappoint. Performance. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 Pro packs a punch with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM, this phone handles multitasking and gaming without breaking a sweat. It's the kind of performance you'd expect from a flagship, but at a fraction of the price. Camera. Now, let's talk cameras. The 200MP main sensor is the star of the show, promising detailed and vibrant photos. The camera setup might have some quirks, but it's nothing short of impressive for a phone in this price range. Battery life and charging. Battery life is stellar, with a 5100 mAh battery that'll easily last you through the day and then some. And when you do need to juice up, the 67 watts fast charging means you won't be tethered to the wall for long. Price. Speaking of price, the Redmi Note 13 Pro starts at a competitive $259 for the base model, which is an incredible deal for what you're getting. It's a phone that challenges the notion that great tech needs to be expensive. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to bringing high-end features to the mid-range market. It's a phone that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. So, if you're in the market for a new phone that won't break the bank but still delivers on all fronts, the Redmi Note 13 Pro should definitely be on your radar. That's all for today's review on Tech Raven. If you're considering picking up the Redmi Note 13 Pro, let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay savvy and keep soaring with tech. Outro. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, this is Tech Raven signing off. Fly high with tech.